In this video, we're going to look at how we can find the Windows username of our user. So to do so, I'm going to use mainly two variables, one that is an object and one is a string, which is going to help us figure out the username itself. So first I'm going to set up the object. So the variable is called windowsObject, and I'm going to create the object WScript.Network. And based on this object, I'm going to be able to find the username by saying username equal the object windowsObject.username, as simple as this. And when I'm going to launch it, there I'm going to be able to see my current username, which is my last name and the first letter of my first name. So depending on how you set up your username and depending also if you are using a laptop from a company or whatever, the username might differ in terms of format, but it will allow you to always get this username from Windows directly and not Excel, the application. Okay, so that's a major difference here, and that's why we're using this object WScript.Network to actually get this Windows username and not just a username that someone would have typed in Excel.